Hi, this is Peach Pellin, and I'm just going to show you how to very simply install the Platino engine for the Titanium SDK. So to start with, this video is going to assume that you've already downloaded Titanium and that you've run it at least once, which will create the modules folder, which is where we're going to be moving Platino. So you want to go to store.platino.io, and from there you can either download the full version or you can get the trial. The trial has all of the features of the main version, but you cannot use it to publish apps, and it will expire after 60 days. Any apps built with it after 60 days will stop running. Okay, so once you've downloaded it here, you'll have a file called Blackgate Games Platino in your downloads. If you're on a Mac, you can run the Mac quick install, and that will open up Terminal, and you'll see it copying across all of the files, and it'll give you an alert when you're done. Within probably a week of this video going up, Windows is going to have an installer as well. But for anybody who wants to do things manually, you'll see here there's 7 different zips. So Appcelerator for Android, Appcelerator for iPhone, Chipmunk for Android, Chipmunk for iPhone, Chipmunk Debug Drawer, which will be the only CommonJS module, and these two here are Platino proper for Android and iPhone. So all of these files here, you're going to unzip them one by one. They're going to have a folder in them called modules, and then the name of the subfolder, whatever it's for, which will be iPhone, Android, or in one case CommonJS. And then within there you'll see the main module. So the reason they're broken up like this is co.lanaka.platino. You can see that's under iPhone. The file name for Android is actually the same. Okay, so the way that I would normally do this is I would actually have everything in a list, select them all, unzip them all at once, and then the easiest way for me is to select all with Command A and tap the right arrow key, select all again, tap the right arrow key, and then you'll have a nice easy list of what you want to copy across. So I go through and I see this is Android, iPhone, CommonJS, iPhone, and there's Android. So there'll be 3 for Android, 3 for iPhone, and 1 for CommonJS. Once you've done that, if you're on Windows, this is where you're going to want to be moving your modules. C, users, username, app data, roaming, Titanium, modules, and in there there'll be Android, iPhone, and CommonJS. On Mac, you're going to want to bring up a new Finder window, and once you're there, you're going to click Go. Now, you need to hold down the Option key, and when you do, you'll see that this library link appears. You can't get to this library any other way unless you're using command line. Within the library, you'll find Application Support, and with there is Titanium, and I clicked a little fast there, modules. So there's Android, and all of these Android modules, I'll just copy across there. You can see that I've already got them all, but I moved those out, so those are gone, and we can see there's iPhone, and there will once again be 3 for iPhone. And so we move all 3 of those over, which I'm actually not going to do because I have a newer version of Platino we're working on. And finally, CommonJS debug drawer will just get dropped into there. And that's it. Now when you launch Titanium, you will be able to select Platino for all of your projects.